Okay, so to start actually animating, we're going to... I've not got my graphics tablet set up, so I'm doing some terrible mouse circles, but we're doing some sort of... We're just going to make a ball bounce for now. We've got auto keying enabled. We've got our pen here. We've got it set to solid stroke, because that's the one we need. The other one that's quite interesting, quite handy, is solid fill, which will fill the shape that you are drawing. That can be very useful as well. But for now, we are going to go solid stroke, and we are going to draw a ball. So we'll draw our circle here. Then we want to move along to the next frame. So you can use the arrow keys to move between frames as well, provided you've selected it. Okay, you've clicked on the timeline. So let's move a few frames ahead, and we're going to start drawing our next one. Control Z to undo, same as anything else. We're going to draw another ball. This is not... I should have just got the graphics tablet out, shouldn't I? I'm not going to be a perfectionist about this. You're going to do this way better than me. Then we're going to scrub another couple of frames, and our ball's going to start picking up speed as we're moving down, because that's what our ball is going to do. We're going to stretch it a little bit as well. A couple more frames, and it's going to hit. And do you know what? We will slide it out for fun. That might be a little bit too much going on before, and then it's going to pop back up. Let's close that. And then we're going to pop back up here, and it's going to carry on its little journey of bouncing up. There we go. Let's play through. You should be checking your animation fairly regular as well to see how it's playing. Let's see what it's looking like. Yeah, okay. It's very rough. It's very crude, but it illustrates my point. Okay, so you're moving back and forth. Now, if you can't see your onion skin, and you probably want to see your onion skin, you can turn it off up here, and then it won't show you the onion skin layer. Okay, so then when you're drawing, but as I said, you probably do want it on. Okay. The other thing that's really important is using layers as well, and that'll become really important when we start perhaps having multiple characters, multiple shapes, different things going on. If you click on this bit here that says data, you have your different layers here, and you can add layers, delete layers, double click to rename them, etc. Each grease pencil object comes with some lines and some fills, but you might want more, you might want to play around with it. You can, following that, now start animating your grease pencil. Good luck.